Today's live here at Magic Hair Company. My mask is from Stair Fashion. I will tag them below. I'll also tag where I got my shirt from over here. Check out these beautiful wigs. And we are having a 40% off sale right now at magichaircompany.com. So go head over to our website and we are having a 40% off the entire website until Sunday. So that is our day after Christmas sale. Here are some of our beautiful colored wigs. What? Did I say something? So yeah, here's some of our colored wigs that we have in store. This is a silky straight wig here. This is one of our twisted braids here. This is one of our full lace mixed blonde brown kind of braids here. And this is one of our 22-inch deep body wave custom colored looks. Here's some of this color in here. Come on down to Magic Hair Company. We're located here in Culver City, California. Our current store hours are Tuesday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 p.m. We do have a lot of different colored wigs in store right now. Here's some of our blue collection coming soon. We're not going to show you too much because we're still working on the color on some of these. This is a purple one. This we were about to deposit color on, but then a client came and bought it as is. This is one of our beautiful kinky curly units, which we're going to wet down in just 1 second here. This is another one of our wavy 14-inch colored units. This is another beautiful custom colored curly unit. And the best way to take care of any curly or wavy hair from Magic Hair Company is to use our hydrating curl definer and amplifier, which you can find here on our website, as well as the rest of our full product line, which we have a keratin shampoo and conditioner, as well as a curl definer. Mix it in a spray bottle with some water, which I'll actually probably, what is that? Yeah. We'll wet down one of the units here in just a second for you guys. But we really wanted to show you guys the color that we have on some of these beautiful units here. Let us know if you guys have any questions. And all of our wigs that you see are available on our website, magichaircompany.com. Guys, check out this beautiful purple right here. Check out the detail. We really can customize the color on any of our wigs for you. We have a colorist that is here in store full time. You can have a one-on-one custom color consultation with her at any time and let us know exactly how you want the color on any of these wigs right here. We can definitely.
How much was for the wavy one?
Which wavy one? This one right here. This is unit number 514 and it is $475 and it's 40% off right now. So that brings the price down to $281. So if you go to magichaircompany.com right now, this is unit number 514 and it's on sale for $281 with our current 40% off sale, guys. So go head over. Our day after Christmas sale is 40% off until Sunday. And so of course we're open here in store until 6 p.m. But if you miss us, go ahead and shop online. Also, if you have any questions, use our chat feature online and somebody will connect with you as soon as possible. We do have our beautiful blue collection coming up soon. That's why I have my waves, because you know, I'm dipping with all this blue wavy hair. I tried to make it funny. But either way, we have our Blue Sea collection coming. This is a preview. We have about 3 or 4 ready. We'll be bringing a couple more to the website soon. Here's one of our curly 18-inch bang units. You can definitely come on here in store and take a look and see our great quality of hair. You really see the difference when you come shop with us here in store. We can customize your color. We can customize the length for you.
How long does the sale last?
Our sale is until Sunday. It's our day after Christmas sale, so it is until Sunday. You can shop online until midnight Sunday. We are here today, Saturday. Our Saturday hours, our current hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. So come shop with us here in store. Use our chat feature online. Subscribe to our newsletter. Don't forget to wear your mask when you're here in store. We are trying to stop the spread of COVID. And we don't want your cooties, you don't want ours, so please wear a mask. Once again, my mask is from Stair Fashion. So yeah, come on, shop with us.
Can you tell me the number of that curly one in the back with the bang?
This one right here.
Yes.
This is unit number 608. This is a 22-inch curly full lace unit, which means you can fully part it anywhere down the back. I won't do that now. This is a beautiful curly 22-inch unit. I believe this is our last one that we have in store. So if you like this one, it's currently 40% off at magichaircompany.com, ladies and gentlemen. All of our wigs that are here in store are 40% off. So if you've been waiting to get a beautiful wig from us today, go ahead and grab one. I should wipe down one of these. I'll probably wipe down this one right here. In this spray bottle, I have some of our hydrating curl definer and amplifier. And this is the perfect thing you should use when you want to hydrate your curly or wavy hair. And
That one is $684.
What's 680?
It's on the unit she's talking about. It's on the website. Look in the ready to ship section.
Check out our featured wig section. Featured wigs ready to ship. We just redid our website and changed our ready to ship to our featured wig section. All featured wigs are in stock and can ship. We'll ship in 1 to 3 business days. So if you need a wig, if you want to be ready for New Year's, well, actually with the postal service, you're not going to get it by New Year's Eve. But if you need it right after New Year's Eve, we got you here at Magic Hair Company. Call us. We will have a custom one-on-one consultation to get that hair color just right for you. Do I need a comb? Is this okay?
That's okay.
So yeah, we'll
You're
have
welcome.
a custom one-on-one color consultation. We can have a virtual consultation with you to get the right texture, length, density. We can really customize your wig for you here at Magic Hair Company, ladies and gentlemen. And there you go. That's all you really need to maintain any of these curly or wavy textures here. Our wigs are 100% human. That's why we can color them. We can add heat to them. They're going to last you for years to come. My name is Janice. We are, yes, a Black-owned business. I'm Black. I'm the owner. I've been here in Culver City for 8 years now. I've had my business for 10 years, and I thank you guys for supporting me because I would not be here if I was not selling great quality wigs. So yeah, check out our website, magichaircompany.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to all of our social media platforms. And yeah, we are Magic Hair Company, where we're changing lives one custom wig at a time. See you guys soon. Bye.
Thank you.